Which graph represents the solution to the system of inequalities? We have a system of inequalities. We have two inequalities and they are graphed for you. Now, one of the things that you can do, you can graph it separately, or we can just solve for y on each one and see which one matches the graph. For the first one, in order to be able to graph it, I need to solve for y. So let's see. To solve for y, I'm going to move my 4, leave the y by itself, to the left. Or you can subtract 4 on each side if you want. That gives me a negative 1 half x. That's a positive becomes a negative 4 is less than y. And I'm going to flip the whole equation over. The y on the left, negative 1 half x minus 4. Now the greater than is towards the y, so therefore the greater than should go towards the y. The less than should be towards the negative x minus 4. Negative 4 is my first point. That's where it crosses the y-axis, so it's negative 4. And my slope is down 1 to the right 2, which is correct. And I can do the opposite if I want. Now, it's greater than, so therefore we're going to shade the greater side, which will be the top. And I'm just going to place up arrows. So notice that that got shaded. So that one's fine. On letter C, or letter B in this case, that's my negative 4 over 1 and down 1 and over 2. So the line is fine. It's greater than, so I need to shade the greater side of the graph, which is the top in this case. And that one did not get shaded at all, so I know that's not the answer. On the next one, negative 4. My slope is down 1 and over 2. And I need to shade the top, so that one's not it either. So therefore, this is your answer. But let's continue on. Let's go and graph the second one. I left some space for you guys to solve for y. So I'm going to write down negative 4x plus 4y is greater than negative 4. To solve for y, I'm going to move my 4x to the right, or you can add 4x's on both sides. Gives me 4y is greater than positive 4x minus 4. And I just need to divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. That cancels, so y is greater than 4 divided by 4 is 1, x minus 1. And I just need to graph this. So let's see, negative 1 is here. My slope is up 1 to the right 1. And I need to shade the greater side. So notice that this will be the overlapping, which will be your answer.